Okay, hi guys, and today I'm gonna be unboxing a McDonald's Transformer robot in disguise, Optimus Prime. His back, it has a little button here, his legs, and when he wants to transform into a car or a truck, he has these wheels. Then on the sides, it has a side view of his hand and two wheels if he wants to transform into a truck again. The same with the other side, and on the front it has the rest of its legs, the rest of its arms, a logo, and his head. Now also this thing came with a sweet ninja sword. This ninja sword belongs to Optimus Prime, and it actually is all blue, sky blue. I'm gonna attach it to hit Optimus Prime. Here it is attached, and this is how you make it work. You press the back button here for it to swing around. That was it for this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, and bye.